Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So our today topic is difference between device driver and application software. The difference between device driver and application software lies in the difference between a driver and software. A driver is a intermediary between the operating system and the driver device. It is associated with, and software is a special computer program that makes the best use of the hardware in the best ways possible. In the context, application software or in user program designed for specific purpose. In fact, the terms application software refers to all application collectively. So now you see the diagram about application and user. So what is device driver? Device driver is a special type of software program which enables communication between the kernel of a computer and different hardware. It's enable a hardware device to communicate with the operating system of a computer without the necessary drivers. The computer won't be able to send and receive data to the hardware devices. A device driver have a special rule in the operating system kernel. These are the software programs that make a particular piece of hardware respond to a well defined internal programming interface. They hide completely the details of how the device actually works. The control a hardware part attached to a computer, allowing the computer to use hardware through a suitable interface. A device driver simply acts as an intermediary between a hardware device and the operating system. So the purpose of device driver is to make sure the hardware function and operates smoothly. So next is what is application software. Application software is a computer software program or a group of programs designed to assist the end user with a particular process. It's a special computer program created for a specific purpose for the end user. The software other than the system software is application software which the user is interacting with directly. Basically, every program on a computer is a piece of application software. Its specific purpose software designed to perform a specific function or a group of coordinated function, tasks, or activities for the end user. In fact, the application software refers to all applications collectively. They are in contrast with system software, which in fact are low-level programs designed to run a computer hardware or application program. The most common application software program are the ones we use every day and include Microsoft of products web browser such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. वगैरह, media flares, photo editors, mobile application, and more. So guys, our today topic is complete. Inshallah, we will explain the next topic and tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you for watching my videos.